Hello there. This is part two of the longest strictly increasing and then decreasing sublist. If you have not watched the first video, please go back and watch that video, and it will help with understanding what we're trying to do in this particular problem. But let me just reiterate for for clarity's sake. So what we're looking for in this particular problem is this pattern of increasing and decreasing in this particular list, and finding the longest sublist of that. And so to do that, we're just gonna straight up code it out and make this a reality. And so we're gonna first set our max length to be 0, and the length of this particular set is numbers. We're going to use two pointers. The pointer is I and j, and we're going to set it to 0 and 1. And we're going to have a increased and decreased value here. So we want to make sure that we are in a section where it is increasing. So we're going to go through each item and find that point of increasing. So while j is less than n, we're going to increase. So if nums j minus I is less than nums j, then increased is equal to true. And while j is less than n and nums j minus I is less than nums j, we're going to set j plus equals 1. So that way we know for sure that it is increasing now. So if j is less than n and increased, and nums j minus I is greater than nums j, we know it's decreasing, and it has been increased before. So decreased is equal to true. And while j is less than n and nums j minus 1 is greater than nums j, we are going to do a j plus 1. We're going to keep moving this pointer plus equals 1. And we're going to keep moving this pointer until the point where it stops decreasing. At this point, we can tell if increased and decreased, the result, our max length is equal to the max of max length and j minus I. Once that is complete, we can shift our I, our start point, to j, and j plus equals 1. If we are in that section where it starts by decreasing, we will basically keep on moving the j forward until we start increasing. So that way we can keep track of all of these issues. So we're going to reset our increased and decreased to false. Once doing so, we're going to return the max length, and this problem is solved. Yeah, so this problem, this is just so much cleaner and faster than the previous solution in part 1. Mainly being that we could map out the whole entire sequence of what's going on in this particular problem. I particularly enjoy this particular solution more than the previous solution, because it is just so clean, the way we have all of this code completed. because what we're doing here is that we have a start pointer and an end pointer. And these 2 pointers, as we iterate the end pointer through how this end pointer moves, is only through the method that we've chosen, which is, oh, we found this pattern, we're going to move the end pointer. And it has experienced the increased and the decreased section. Then we can check whether the length, the distance between the end pointer and the start pointer, and check that against the max length. Otherwise, we're just going to keep moving this end pointer and the start pointer all the way to the end of the list. And that's all. Well, thank you very much for watching. If you have questions, please leave it in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. And for more videos, please check out the link in the description below. Thank you very much, and have a good one.